Part studios assign a color to parts and surfaces based on a predefined color palette that cycles through 8 colors as new parts and surfaces are created. If you delete a part, the colors of the remaining parts do not change. Right-click on a part or surface in the parts list and select Edit Appearance. This opens a palette with predefined colors and a mixer for creating custom colors. Click the plus icon to save custom colors for future use. Right-click a custom color and select Delete to remove it or Update Color to modify it. Alternatively, specify the hex code for the color or define the RGB values numerically. Adjust the transparency slider to add transparency to the color. Transparency is beneficial for showing internal components. This transparency and any other appearance customizations are carried through to assemblies. Add a face or feature appearance independent of their part appearance. Right-click a face in the graphics area and select Add Appearance to Face. Right-click a feature in the Features list and select Add Appearance to Feature. Modify sketch and curve default appearances from their right-click context menus. Right-click in the List or Graphics area and select Edit Sketch Appearance or Edit Curve Appearance respectively. Parts created from pattern features inherit the appearance of the seed part. The Appearance panel provides one location to view and edit appearances applied to parts, surfaces, sketches, and curves. Modify an appearance by double-clicking it or by right-clicking and selecting Edit Appearance. Like other features, appearances are configurable, allowing custom appearances per each configuration.